right, Zach, what are we about to do?
We're about to pack the car for camping tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right?
Yep.
Big day. We're going to the beach, right? Might
Yep.
even have a rainstorm or two on day 2, but we're going to be okay, right?
Yep.
All right, so what's the first thing we're going to do? We're going to check the what?
Check the tent. Tent's good.
All right, nice job, bud. And finally, we've made it to the campground. How you feeling?
Good.
Good. Looking pretty nice. I'll show you some water shots near the beach later on, right? Gonna go check out the facilities here first before we go on a hike, right? Right. Yeah. Living the dream, right? Alright, you wanna go check out the beach? Okay, let's go check out the beach. Alright, we're gonna go check out the beach here at Horseneck Beach. Got our tent. Pretty good for the wind. How we doing, Zach? Okay, there's a lot of rocks here. Do you see why we wore the shoes? Okay. A lot of rocks. Because I don't want you to fall over onto the rocks. That would hurt a lot. Okay? How's it feel? Good. Are you happy now? Oh, that's cold, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, it's cold. We're not going any further than this. That is cold, dude. Here we are, Horseneck Beach Campground in Massachusetts. Having some fun. We're just checking out what's around our tent. Zach, are you having fun already or what? I know it took a long time to get that whole thing set up over at the campground, huh? But we're gonna walk this way. And they have like a blackberry turnip there that you can actually hike around. We might not go all the way there. I think we need a car to get there. But we're gonna go check out. So, nice view. Alright. Here. We're gonna take a look at that. Check that out, okay?
They can go in the water.
Well, there is a beach over there.
We're going that beach.
So we'll have to see if we can walk all that way, okay?
There's a beach over there too.
Right, but that'd be a beach for these people that own these houses. You can't go into these people's houses. Understand?
Exploring and hiking in water sometimes.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's an old propane tank there. Yeah. That way. Yep, if you look really closely, you can see the top of our tent. they have like a little, almost hiking trail. I guess you could call it a hiking trail around this peninsula here. And I will put the name in. I can't remember the name of it right now. Nice beach over here on the side. And they have boats, a boat dock here. Well, you can launch a boat from here. See that? So we're on Goosebury Island, and there's a hiking trail here. So that's the campground from afar, all the way out there. And we're about right there. There's the Atlantic Ocean out there. Right out, we got Black Island that way. Yeah, birds. How we doing with that? I love you. I love your hat. We got to the beach, took us about an hour to set up camp, and we're doing fine. And we're on the way back to the campground. Hey, how about going around this thing? Nice job. We're almost there. Keep walking. Keep walking. That's where we're all camping, right over there, right? See?
Yep. Hello. Right now we're camping in the at the beach. Remember? Right now we're just gonna right Daddy over there, and just gonna have fun. We're just gonna rough it out and stuff. There's a tent. So I hold them up.
Hey,
There's the
can
beach
I see
over
that
there.
camera? Hey, can I see that camera?
Yep.
We're recording right now. We live?
Yeah.
Are we live? I can't tell.
Here we are.
I'm gonna go take a picture of the hot dogs and the hamburgers.
Okay.
Yeah, we got a fire going on, but I used this Coleman party pail because I didn't trust these grills, and the fire didn't kick up right away. So just the top of the party pail makes an excellent little thing here, and then I have my Yanin heat-resistant gloves, which are awesome. The only thing I did forget, though, was a spatula. So I'm actually using a fork by taking this off and flipping it around with the fork and this glove, which I hope holds up, which I'm sure it will.
Right now we're just Daddy's kinda gonna hot dogs and hamburgers. I'm trying a hamburger. See over there the solar panels? I gotta show you something. We're gonna walk over there. There's we got the smart lock on there, and the solar panel wires for the solar panel generator, which is inside the tent. There. You know that? Look up there. There's the 6 that hold up the tent. Got the car over there. There's lots of RVs here, and cars, and tents. And there's look over there. There's the beach. And over there is Daddy walking. Over there, the seagulls come here and stuff. Temp's really down, we got the rain time. Look over there. At some dinner, they used to sleep down there over there. Right now, we're going to bed. See? They have a generator, because a lot of people have generators. A lot of people come here for camping and we want to go to the beach. Look over there's a seagull. I love you, Daddy, and I love you so much. Bye. Right now, I'm Zachary. Right now, we're still camping. Right now, we're right there. Sliding right over the beach. Just gonna fly right over there.
What's up?
Good. Okay, show.
I want to wash our dishes. Give me that. We're gonna wash dishes, everybody. We're gonna wash dishes.
There's lots of rocks and stuff. There's rocks over there to go around, and then we go in the water.
You biodegradable soap. Don't put it in the water.
Yeah, you could take a bath with it. You could wash dishes with your machine. You could brush your teeth with it, but never, like, you could never, like, you'd still, like, no drinking it.
Day one, we just had dinner. Zach was going around with the camera, filming, and what did we do?
We had the first aid kit.
Yeah, we had to use the first aid kit for the first time. We really had a bleeder here. It was a little scrape. He's fine? Are you fine?
Yep.
All right, so we're going to continue on, right? Right?
Yep.
All right, give me a high five. Good job. Goosebury Island, take 2. So we got bored in the tent. We can't wait any longer. We had to do something. So we're going to try to do this. So we drove on over to Goosebury Island, and we're actually going to hike the whole thing today if possible. We're going to hike a good portion of it if possible. Right, Zach? So this is the beginning trail, Goosebury Island. It smells very nice. It's very fragrant, as we like to call it. Right? Okay. It's not bad. It's a nice place. It's peaceful. Even though we have storms in the area, we actually lucked out. They said that we were supposed to have thunder and lightning by now. But looks like it's going to be clear at least till 5 p.m. here. Now, Goosebury Island, they have a fire tower. Sorry about the shakiness in the video. I'm on a selfie stick here. But we'll go check that out if we can make it that far. You hear the ocean not far away. And yeah, so we're doing well. You like Goosebury Island?
Yeah.
Pretty nice?
Yeah, really nice.
All right, let's keep going here. See what we can do.
See the beach.
See the beach?
Yeah.
Wow, cool. All right. Well, let's see if we can get to that fire tower. Okay? Okay.
It's the fire tower.
Closer.
Yep.
You have fun. Guns? Okay. And we're coming up on the fire tower. See it peeking through right over there. Go. I don't know if we're gonna be able to walk so I don't care so much about the spade paint. I care about the is it safe to climb? So this is it. This is one of the many sites, I guess, on Goosebury Island. Hi, Zach. And you know, you can marvel at it. Nothing wrong with that, but yeah, full of graffiti. So good or bad, take it or leave it. One last view of the towers on Goosebury Island.
Is it that way? Go that way. So right now we're going down this way. Probably is good. I know we're still kind of hiking. Now you can see what this path leads us to. It's all little, just like a big path, but right now we're in this kind of nature, you know. So right now we're just gonna like hike for a long time, and I'll leave the video running while we see what this way leads to. So right now let's just leave the camera running again, okay? Kind of paths. No paths, so no. There's lots of maze. There's kind of maze there. There's a maze there. And we'll see what that maze leads to.
some of this is really treacherous, especially with all these rocks. So just go slow. So we've hit the end of the trail. It's all rocks from here. It's really kind of, I wouldn't say scary, but you definitely have to watch your footing, right, Zach?
Yep.
You got some birds out there in the rock. Some of the wildlife on Goosebury Island, you see a toad. So just know that if you come to visit Goosebury Island, they do have poison ivy towards the tip. You just have to know how to identify it and not run into it. And we're on our way back to the car now. There's the fire tower. And these paths are nice though. This is like beach sand mixed with some grass, and it is clear, so you can walk it. So if you're into flowers, it's an awesome hike. They have tons of different colors and stuff. Now we're on the way back to the car. Did you like hiking here, bud? What's your favorite part?
I like to Goosebury Island.
What'd you like about it though?
It's all about the plants.
Yeah, it's good, huh? We don't like poison ivy though, do we? No. So if you do come out here, make sure that you know how to identify poison ivy. All right, we're on our way out. It's the last stretch. You see the houses there? There's the beach that we're camping on, Horseneck Beach, and then you have the ocean all around. So all in all, Goosebury Island, very nice scenic little hike. Right?
Yep.
All right. Did you enjoy this hike?
Yep.
Okay. And this will conclude our hiking of Goosebury Island. Glad we could take you along with us. This is like the big hike, I guess, when you're over at Horseneck Beach Campground. Probably the best you're gonna do. You drive over with your car, park it, come right out on the trail. Zach, how good do you think this was? Was this good? Yeah? Think we should do this again sometime? All right. And with that, Zach and I are signing out. Peace.
Bye, Goosebury Island.
All right. Zach, how we doing, bud? It is raining cats and dogs outside. And it's going to be like this till about 5 p.m. they said on the Weather Channel. So we'll see what happens. But we're having fun still, right? All right.